Alright, today's video, a review of the Wolfang action camera. Let's make life more fun. It came with the action cam, of course, 4K. The reason why I got this is because there's an external mic option. I've been using GoPro Hero 3s. It's out of date. GoPro Hero 3s don't even have a viewing screen. This has a viewing screen and an external mic. And that's the main reason I've been using old GoPros. So this camera was about $50. It came with a hard case and an open frame mount. It also came with a remote, so you could turn it, I don't think you could turn it on, but you could record from the inside of your vehicle even when the camera's outside when you press the record button. So that's cool that it came with a remote. This is my dad's truck. 2017 Colorado ZR2. Took it out to the desert today. Awesome truck. My dad's out of the country right now, so I have access to this truck. So I'm having some fun with it. So here's where I have the Wolfang set up. So I did a similar video with my Geo tracker. So I'm going to share the footage of just the Wolfang, and then I'll do a side-by-side with the GoPro. The tracker is where it belongs, off-road. I didn't air down. I probably don't even need four-wheel drive. Let's see how this does. This spot is very sentimental to me. This is where I used to take my dogs. I haven't taken my current van build out here yet. I don't think it's ready yet. I think I need a rear locker. Yeah, this sand's pretty deep. I think I need a rear locker before I take that van out here. It's a lot bigger than my last van, a lot heavier, and it's longer. So yeah, I think it might get stuck right here actually without a rear locker. This will be easy work for this truck. But this is one of my favorite spots because no one's ever out here. And I just really enjoy being out here. The sand is deep here. I didn't air down at all either. And then all that noise, if you could hear it, it's just all my stuff rattling around. But even off-road, this thing's really quiet. You know what this thing has? It has like a solid feel to it. Really solid feel. I consider this a performance vehicle. It's not a Viper or a Corvette, but it makes off-roading easy. It makes easy work of pretty much anything. This thing feels unstoppable off-road. Like I said, this is not a challenge for this truck at all. But I always stop by here. I just like the seclusion out here. So the easy part is just going up, just following this path. The hard part is the climb right here. So let's see. So if I just follow this, it's the easy way out. So the hard part is straight. So hard part, let's try it. Let's try it. Hard part. Oh, it made it. This thing made it. This thing made it easy. Too easy. There we go. Powering up. Top of the world. Very disappointing. I really wanted to like this thing. It has really good picture and a really nice presentation for everything. It's packed like it's high end for around $50. External mic option. I wanted this to replace my GoPros, but I can't deal with the unreliability of the audio. I can't deal with the audio going from camera to mic and somewhere in between, because I lost a whole day of filming. I'm still going to be able to use the footage I filmed with this, but I'm going to have to do voiceovers now to complete the video I wanted to do, and I can't have that when I'm making videos about my vehicles. So yeah, I'm gonna return this and maybe go one step up, and if I just can't get a good action camera for an affordable price, I'm going back to GoPros. So I'm gonna continue trying out these action cameras. I learned a lesson though. Next time I'm not gonna do a major video project with an unknown commodity. I did do a test run on this before I took it out, and it seemed like it was fine, but once I had it out to the desert, it just wasn't reliable with the audio, and the picture wasn't as steady as I wanted it to be. It's not as steady as the GoPro Hero 3. I'll do a side-by-side of this versus a GoPro Hero 3, and the GoPro Hero 3 is a lot better. The picture isn't as good, but the audio and picture stability is way better than this thing. So yeah, I'm just really disappointed. I filmed about an hour's worth of desert footage, and now I'm gonna have to voice over most of it. Here's the action cam with no mic. Action cam with the external mic attached to it. Testing out a new camera today at the beach right now.